right, so we have this one, we have the little one over here, and then we have the three doors in the UAB building. Quite frankly, they all work pretty much the same. There's not much difference between them. There's a few subtle differences, but not many. All right, key to close. These all have the UL 325 requirement, which is a set of photosensors across here. If anything breaks the beam while it's coming down, it reverses and goes back up. If anything is blocking the beam, it will not come down. Okay? So if you try to close it and it will not close, that's the first thing you want to look for is a block. Obviously, open to open. And stop button. That's pretty much it. We're not complicated. Any questions?
If the sensors for the beam get out of whack, like somebody kicks it or whatever,
Yes.
what's the best way to get those back on there?
That's a good question. The best thing to do is just kind of shine and make sure they have some tolerance on them.
Okay.
Not a whole lot, because obviously they're there to try to prevent something from closing if they're out of alignment, but just line them back up physically and they should be okay. If they come unwired, it will not. It will not. Now, if they come unwired or they become unfunctional, you can still close it. You have to do it with constant pressure. It will not close unless you hold it closed, where you have to stand there and watch it. Okay? This grill over here works identically to that. Now, the one difference on the UAB building, I believe, if I remember correctly, they have sensing edges on the bottom of the door, where if it sits on anything, it does the same thing. It will go back up. That is not UL 325, or is not monitored, which is what they call it, in that if it becomes disabled, it will prevent the door from closing. The sensors will do that, but not the sensor edge.
About the manual pull chain. Is there anything on that, or we don't have to take it out? I just want to see it for the video.
Yeah. This, if you lose electricity or something, you pull this, you have to pull it fairly hard. You have to reach up here and grab this, and it will pull down. When the electricity comes back on, make sure that this re-engages. It does two things. It kicks it into manual operation. It releases the operator. And the other thing that it will do is it has an electrical interlock on it, which keeps you from trying to operate it electrically when it's disengaged. So it doesn't tear the gears up when it goes back into motor operation, or during the transition. Any questions? Just simple that.